Okay, so now H is not height, but is depth. Okay, the H at the back. So from here, I think you understand lah. If height, which one higher? X. Which one deeper? Yeah. So actually, it's the language problem lah. If I say higher, sure you say X. If I say deeper, sure you say Y. But sometimes the sentence like this: higher height, higher depth. Huh? I try to show you the confusing part. See, if I give you one, you won't realize one. Okay, so now next. So deep means count from the top to the bottom. And I don't like people think that I learned this before, no need listen. The tree at the back. Just now you also keep talking. All right, so now look at this. This is a fish in a container filled with water. Given the density of liquid is 1025 kilogram per meter cube, calculate the liquid pressure acting on the fish. Okay, so now like what info you can get? Yes, rho. 1025 kilogram per meter cube. Is it SI unit? Yes. So no need change. Okay, what they want? They want liquid pressure on the fish. So now, yes, H equals to 5 meter. 5 or 4? Yes, from top to bottom. Okay, P equals to H rho G lah. So remember, this H is depth, not height. They always write H1. Whatever height or depth, they always write depth. H. So this H is 5 times 1025 times 9.81. Answer 5 Pascal. Okay, Pascal. So what is a Pascal? What is Pascal? So actually, Pascal is a scientist. He is Pascal. He is Pascal. Okay, so he defined that Pascal is 1 Newton per 1 meter square. So come to a story. Come to a story. One day they are playing hide and seek. Einstein is a seeker. Then Pascal hide very far away. So Einstein said, "Hi, Newton, why you didn't hide?" So Newton said, "No, no, no, you found Pascal because he's standing on a 1 meter square box." also like this until today. Yeah. Okay, now you know Pascal, Pascal actually means 1 Newton per meter square. Means the force Cp equals to F over A, right? So 1 Newton of force exerted on 1 meter square of the box, you will get 1 Pascal of pressure lah. So where else you can see this kilopascal in your real daily life? Do you pump your parents' car tire? Oh, you all help out. Very good. Bicycle. Wow. Yeah, so then sure you know lah. So normally is like this lah. 220, this is kilopascal. If you are not sure, need to pump how much, you can check online or check on the door of the driver's seat. I just changed tire. Let you know the price first. You guess? I changed 4 tire together. 800，还有吗？还有吗？1,200。Yeah. Oh, 1,200. Oh yeah, around 1,300 lah. Then I find out what, you know? The brand is Toyo. Not Toyota, it's Toyo. Okay. He quotes 270. But after that, I find out some other shop 230. Then I find out other shop 270 can change Michelin already. Michelin is the best. No, it's real. It's real. So here, not sure. I'm not sure. Michelin always the best. Always the most expensive. Okay, like so now, like we see B. The diagram below shows similar liquids in different containers. Okay, so now complete the table below with the symbol more than, less than, or equal to show the correct comparison. Okay, so the first, here got a few characteristics of liquid pressure. 做什么？没有力了，很好。来 ，Number one, liquid pressure. 来写一下 liquid pressure. Got a few characteristics. Number one, same depth, same pressure. 写了吗 ？Number two. Okay, number two. The liquid pressure does not depend. The liquid pressure does not depend on the shape and size. Now you understand why here got so many shape and size? Okay. Then number three. Liquid pressure act in all directions. Actually, I should not say liquid. I should say fluid. Like you change to fluid. You may ask teacher what's the difference of fluid? Yes, means let's say liquid and I say yeah, correct. S except solid. Liquid and gas consider fluid. So everything fluid pressure. But we normally study liquid first. And you can treat the liquid as gas. You can treat gas as liquid. When we imagine that. Okay, so now, what do you think? Which one has the highest pressure? Yeah, highest P equals to H rho G. H stand for depth. Depth come from top to bottom. Which one at the bottom? Use ruler measure. Use a ruler, put there. Only got 1 point. Ruler. Yeah, only G is the highest pressure. 对，所以要教你用尺。You know what? I was corrected by 5 Santalia because they really use ruler measure. I also say same thing with SU, CD, EG. They say, no, teacher, they are on different level. Okay, so now since you feel okay, like A and B, how? Which one bigger? A bigger than B. If you are not sure, use ruler. Alright, let me call someone. B and C. Dun, dun, dun. King Long. Yeah, C bigger than B. Next. Jeffrey, C and E. Yeah, C is bigger than E. Right, next, E and F. Ryan. E bigger than F. F and G. Right? Han Tong. G bigger than F. Okay. No. C and E. Yeah, I think C and E is the same. I thought C and D. Yeah, correct. C and E. C and E the same, sorry. Thank you. Good. So now can you see no matter how big is it, even though sengit one also doesn't matter because we always count the depth perpendicular from the top to bottom, 可以吗? We don't care the shape and size, 可以吗? Seems like you understand. Seems. Let's check. Let me see. Okay, here got 2 swimming pool. One is adult pool, one is kids pool. Now the father and son swim inside. So now can you please tell me the pressure of father A and the pressure of the boy B is more than, less than, equal, right? More than, less than. So 2 more than, 2 less than, equal. Thank you. Answer is equal. 哎，你刚刚会讲。在啊，我特地画一条 line 啊。在这个 point，这个 point，this 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 point，same point，same point。哦。OK 啦，OK 啦，可能没有这样准的。OK。So, see, no matter what shape, what size, same level means same depth, same pressure. But seems you understand. So now you will see if here we got container filled with water. This one last time we got, but since we moved science lab, physics lab twice, and now don't know where it is placed already. So you will see when you fill up with water, Z will split out the distance. Yeah, the furthest distance. So we say this is the split distance. So we say Z has the longest split distance. Okay, the longest split distance for Z. Why? Yeah, because Z got the better don't use higher lah. We say yeah, Z has greatest pressure. Why Z got greatest pressure? Yeah, because it has a greatest depth. So according to P equals to H rho G, yes, the greatest depth, the greatest pressure. Okay. Okay, so now give one observation. Can I say Z has the greatest pressure? Yes, so we can say Z has the longest water spurt distance. Where X has the shortest water spurt distance. 哇，不用写啊！哇，你都知道 Z 最长，X 最短，不会直接写吗？啊？Okay, so 所以我们来看 ，What is the conclusion? Yep. So we can get a conclusion. The distance split means it indicates the air pressure, liquid pressure lah. Okay. So seems like you understand. Seems. Okay, like now I got two container. Draw lah. Right, draw. This is oil. This is water. Which one will have longer water spurts? The water spurts out is variable oil. Oh, oh, all oil, not depends. All of the oil. 发了没有？Do you like carrying me? I also feel hungry. Can you see what is this? So I say whatever oil. Sorry. 什么？ Yeah, so oil is, how is the density of oil? Less than density of water. So P equals to H rho G. Now you look at, so the height is the same, right? G the same, right? So the density bigger means pressure bigger means it will spurt out longer lah, 可以吗？ So this one will be the longest lah, longer lah. Okay, about density. May I know what is density? Me too. What is me too? Yeah, the mass per unit volume. So it's actually like this. Density of, why we say less dense is because less molecule. Đúng không? 学过了的也不用听了啊，这样你可以出去了。你们两个，我也不认识，我也不认识你。Okay, so Less dense means less molecule inside. More dense means more molecule inside. Whatever oil, normal cooking oil, petrol oil, all less dense than water. All. Ah. But I think diesel, I'm not sure diesel. Diesel is not, we don't consider as oil. Crude oil, okay. I think crude oil, petroleum is denser than water. Yeah, so we say the normal oil lah, petrol and the cooking oil lah. All right, so now next. Yeah, commonly used. Okay, right next. This experiment is, oh no. This is demo only lah. Like we see this, this experiment is the pressure in liquid depends on the depth of the liquid. When the depth of liquid increases, the pressure in the liquid increases. Increase because P equals to H rho G. You all learned this in Form 5 Maths Chapter 1, right? P directly proportional to H, same level, increase lah. And tell me F equals to, sorry, A equals to F over M. Tell me relationship between A and F. Directly proportional. What is M? How you represent it? So now if you look back to your Form 4 Chapter 1, it will feel easy lah. Chapter 1. Okay, so now look at this to investigate. One more. Lambda equals to AX over D. Tell me the relationship between A and X. Directly proportional or inversely proportional? Must be one side each. Thank you very much. If you move A down here, X will be up here. They are actually inversely proportional. I must move one on each side first. 对吗？Okay, right? Now we look at this. Our manipulated variable is, yes, the depth of liquid. Corresponding variable would be, okay, for this one, the pressure is represented by the difference of heights here. Later I show you, you understand. Okay, so later I'm going to show you this one, different height, different pressure. And I'm going to show you this one, page 42. One, I put it into water. Another one, I put it into alcohol. Okay. Okay, now, so the first one is, okay, so the water 13, I record already, thank you, yeah. So 13.3 cm difference because water pressure is higher than alcohol pressure because density of water is bigger than density of alcohol. Okay, so by the way, this alcohol cannot drink one. You drink, you die. Okay, jot down already. 来的7.4 lowest 7.4 highest 21.3，这个 lowest 8.7，这个 highest 20.0。So the difference 13.9 and 11.3. So we say the difference here is liquid pressure. Okay, so now for page 40, manipulated just now is depth of liquid. So the responding variable would be the difference of height in manometer, which is actually liquid pressure lah. But we cannot see liquid pressure directly, so we use the difference of height to indicate the liquid pressure. Amen. Yeah, liquid pressure. Yeah. We cannot see directly, so we use difference of height to indicate it. So constant variable should be like P equals to H rho G. Since H is your manipulated variable, P is your responding variable. Give me one. Yeah, G normally constant, so we normally don't say it because altitude always the same. So we say, yeah, the rho lah. What is rho? Walao eh. Yeah, the density of liquid. Okay, so now next, look at page 41. That's why I think you all can do lah, huh? One water, one oil, but same depth. Okay. Now we look to page 42. Quick. So this manipulated variable, we got two liquid. So our manipulated variable would be the density of liquid. Responding variable. Sorry, what? I record already. Thank you. the difference of height of water in manometer, which means the liquid pressure. But we cannot see directly, so we use the difference of height in manometer to represent the pressure. So now tell me what is the constant variable by using P equals to H rho G. Density, our density is our MV. What is our RV? Pressure. What is our CV?
Yeah.
Yes. H, yes. H means the depth of liquid. Now, that's why just now I must make them same level first. Okay, so now okay, right now, first we look at page 44. Okay, diagram below shows a sealed cylindrical gas tank placed on the floor. The tank contains gas with a weight of 60 Newton. Right, the weight 60 Newton. Jot down already. As long as we see the numbers, we identify out and jot down. This is physics, huh? Yes, and then the tank itself is 25. So actually you add 2 lah. Weight of this is 25 Newton. Yeah, so total is 85 Newton. Okay, while we look at them, we directly define surface area of the tank base is 80 centimeters square. Now, number one, what they say, convert the unit of surface area to base to the SI unit. Means you need to change 80 centimeter square equals to how many meter square? Divide how much? Số 100. Okay, like we check first. Like first of all, right, let's write 1 cm equals to how many meter? 0.01. Agree? Now please, can you write it in index form? Powers of negative 2. So now, yeah, congratulations. Then now what we want square. Square means we square left hand side and we square right hand side. Like use your knowledge from your Form 3 maths indices. If xy square, you will get how much? Yeah, x. So you will get x square, y square. If x negative 2, y powers of 3 square, you will get how much? 6 and 4. Hey, sorry, this is 4. This is 6. Agree? And now same thing. 1 square is 1. Agree? Cm square is cm square. 10 powers of negative 2 times 2. 10 powers of negative 4 meter square. So conclusion, 1 centimeter square equals to times 10 powers of negative 4 meter square. Okay, so you will get 8. So not divided by 100. Actually, is you divided by 10,000. Okay? You want to make it as standard form or not, up to you lah. For me, I prefer you all stays here to avoid colors mistake. Okay, so very fast. Pressure equals to F over A. F is 85 Newton just now. A is 80 times 10 powers of -4. You will get a very big pressure. So your homework today is page 44 up to 46. 44 to 46. Thank you. Bye. It's okay, just go.